Hey guys, Jon Dugan here with Randy Kuehl Honda. Right now I'm sitting in a 2017 Honda CRV Touring. I'm going to go over a couple tips and tricks with you. Seemed like you guys liked that from the last video I did. Going over some of the different features and everything that you can change inside the vehicle that you may not have known about. All right, so go ahead and stay tuned and let's get right to it. All right guys, so we're going to take a look at the display here first. There's a couple things that I'm going to just show you right off the bat. That you can do that you may not have already known, okay? Did you know that you can move your icons around and kind of put them wherever you want? You can change the color of your backlighting. How you do that is you go into settings, go to system, and then you can change your background color right here. Right now it's on red. Say your favorite color is blue. You can change it to blue, green, whatever, you know, whatever the different color options are here, you can go to whichever one you want. If you want to go to blue, there's that. So you can see what it'll look like with the blue. Now, let's say you don't like this setting at all. You don't like the display at all, and you want to go look at something completely different. Say you're an Android user and you want to make your phone look like an Android. No problem. Go to settings, go to system, and then from here, we're going to hit the top arrow here, go all the way down to where it says change skin. Click that, hit your next, yes. And now we have a completely different look, okay? This is going to give you a little bit more of like an Android device feel, okay? So you can kind of customize these screens however you want. If you want to move your navigation around, you want it right there, you can move that. You can rearrange them however you want. You can take things off the screen. You can make them as minimal as you want, or put as much on there as you'd like. It's entirely up to you. That's what's really cool about it. Now, right now I have a live wallpaper on there. Okay, so how you do that is you press and hold on the screen, go to change wallpaper. Now from here you got a couple different options. You have gallery. So if you have a USB cord, which I don't have one on me right now, you can actually plug your USB cord in and you can select gallery. So if you want to have a picture of your wife, your kids, your dog, your cat, whatever it is, you can upload that and that'll be your background. Okay, now I'm on live wallpaper. So there's a couple different options here for live wallpaper. I kind of like this water one. So it's got the water in the background, so when you hit the screen, you can kind of see the ripples in the water. I think that's a really cool feature. All right, but you can customize that, put different wallpapers on there, your favorite cars, whatever it is, and personalize it, make it yours. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the next thing. All right, so the next thing we're going to look at is your gauge cluster, okay? So if you're the type of person that's driving your vehicle, you don't like all of the stuff that's on your gauge cluster, you want it like a minimal effect. All right, so here's how you do that. You're going to come over here, you're going to go into your settings, and then you're going to go from settings, you're going to go into system, and then tachometer settings. Okay, so you hit your tachometer, you turn your tachometer off. All right, and then boom, over here tachometer's gone. Okay, it makes it a lot easier to read how fast you're going. I'll show you what it looks like on and off. Okay, I prefer it off. Some people might like it on, but you're driving an automatic, you don't need it on. Now, you have these different options down here. Okay, so if you want to check the maintenance on your vehicle, those different types of things, you can do all that, you know, right from here. You can check your oil life. You can check your oil life, you know, whatever. Now, if you come over here, kind of do the same thing, go into system. Now, the configuration of instrument panel, okay? You have 3 different configurations that you can swap between. So, you know, husband, wife, kid, whatever, however many, you know, say mom likes all the stuff on there. She likes to be able to check everything, tire pressure, fuel economy, whatever. What you can do is you can go into add, and then you can add any of these features in there that you want. Okay, you don't like anything in there, you don't have to have any of them. The only two that you can't take off is a maintenance binder and the speed unit there, okay? The other ones you can add and remove as you'd like. Now, after you change your configuration, you can save it, but then, you can change the other two. So you have a total of 3 of them that you can switch between. Now, let's say that you're driving, okay? Or you get to where you're going. How do you switch between those? Well, on the screen over here, we have the instrument panel. So you hit that button, and you can switch between whichever one you want on the fly as you go. All right, pretty simple to do that. And like I said, you can kind of move these things around too. So you can take things off the screen if you want, leave what you want on there, and go from there. All right, so that's covered. Let's hop out of the vehicle. I'm going to show you a couple cool things outside. All right, so once we're outside the vehicle, what we're going to do here with your key fob, if you press your unlock button once and then hit it again and press and hold it, it's going to roll the windows down, okay? We'll even do the sunroof for you. All right? Now, how do you get those windows closed? Say you accidentally did it and it's raining, you need to get them up, okay? Take your key out of your key fob, put it in your keyhole, okay? You're going to turn it once and then press it or turn it and hold it again, okay? And it's going to close everything up for you. All right? Now, some of the other things which are going to be very similar to all the other vehicles that I've kind of covered with you is keyless entry. All right? Now, the vehicle's locked. Turn this around here so you can see. The vehicle's locked. You got to reach for your doorknob or door handle. Put your hand on the door handle. It's going to unlock. Okay? What it's not going to do is by default, it's not going to unlock all of them. So you can actually change that and set it so when you grab the door handle, if it's raining out, going to get in the car, you grab the door handle. That way your wife's not getting mad at you for her standing out there in the rain, which you should be opening the door for her anyway. Anyway, I'll get inside, show you how to do that. All right, so once we get inside the vehicle, we're going to go to the same place we always go, which is settings. Now this time, we're going to go to vehicle. And then from here, we're going to scroll down. Whoops. To the door and window. All right. Now, with the key fobs, you can do with the key fobs, you can go to do the smart entry. Sorry, lost my train of thought for a second. Smart entry to open the door or to grab the door handle and unlock all of the doors. This is going to be under door unlock mode, under keyless. Right now it's set up to do driver door only. So if you wanted to do all the doors, you hit that. Now when you grab that door handle, every single door is going to unlock. Now, obviously, if you're single and you don't have kids or you're not married or anything like that, I would always leave it on driver door only just for the safety factor, okay? Now, if you wanted, out of your door and window here where I originally was going, you can set up walk away auto lock. Now, I'm going to jump out of the car. I'm going to turn this on. Okay, by default, it's always off. Whenever I sell a CRV, I always get inside and I talk about it. I always recommend turning it on. How many times have you gone into Target and you're like, wait, did I lock the car? Probably not. Well, if this feature's set to on, you never have to worry about that again because it's always going to automatically lock for you. Now, I'll turn this feature on. Now, what that is as soon as you get out of the vehicle, whether the vehicle's, doesn't matter where it is. You get out of the vehicle, as long as your key fob is on you, once you hit 5 feet, you're going to hear the vehicle beep. After 5 feet, you're going to hit 10 feet. 10 feet, the vehicle is going to lock automatically. That way it'll take all the guessing out of whether or not you lock the car. So I'm going to hop out of the car here and I'll show you how that works. Okay guys, I'm out of the car. Key fob in my pocket. Walking away. There's the beep. And it locked. Okay. So, really good feature to have. That way you never have to worry about locking your keys in the car. Now, kind of told you about or showed you before, change those settings on the auto unlock, grab the door handle, guess what? Now the back door is going to open. Okay? Now, I'm going to hop inside, fix all the settings back to the way they were, and then I'm going to show you a couple things on the exterior of the vehicle, okay? All right, so on the exterior, just like with the Civic, we got a capless fuel tank, okay? So, run out of gas, you're on the side of the highway, need to fill the fuel up, okay? So, pop open the tailgate, whoops, hit the lock button, pop open the tailgate, and then right underneath here, in that corner, kind of tucked underneath your jack, that's your funnel, okay? So your funnel, pop it in there. Now you can use your fuel tank, cup, whatever you have with gas in it, and you can top your fuel off, okay? All right, guys, just to touch base on everything, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. This is a good look at our dealership, brand new dealership here in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Again, my name's Jon Dugan, and hopefully you found the video helpful. If you ever need any assistance or questions, or if you're looking in the market for a new car, give me a call. Phone number 319-800-1333. All right? Thanks. If you found the video helpful, like and subscribe. It really helps me out. That way I can keep putting out content for you guys. Have a great day. All right, guys. Just to touch base on everything, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. This is a good look at our dealership, brand new dealership here in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Again, my name's Jon Dugan, and hopefully you found the video helpful. If you ever need any assistance or questions, or if you're looking in the market for a new car, give me a call. Phone number 319-800-1333. All right? Thanks. If you found the video helpful, like and subscribe. It really helps me out. That way I can keep putting out content for you guys. Have a great day.